Prior to now, everyone was mistaken regarding the Galaxy S24 Ultra's display. A distinction was made known through leaks just before the product's official introduction, and Samsung has really excelled themselves with this amazing announcement about the S24 Ultra display. Some explanations for why it is occurring, bringing up concepts like orthogonal projections and other things. In any case, the fact that Samsung chose a display to allay any concerns is comforting. The front of the phone now looks nicer thanks to the reduction in size of the selfie camera hole. We have largely talked about one issue with the Galaxy S24 display, its bezels, for the last 2 months. We appear to have been misled though, because the S24 Ultra's outer bezels will actually appear far better than they did in the renders. This news serves to dispel any confusion that may have arisen from those drawings of the S24 Ultra. These outer bezels seem much smaller in real life than they did in the original illustration. These specifics also validate that we should anticipate a curved screen with a display that has a modest edge curvature of about 3 mm. Furthermore, an LTPO display will be included in the S24 series in addition to the M13 OLED screen. The M13 display technology is a development that will greatly increase the peak brightness to 2600 nits compared to 1750 nits, since LTPO allows for a refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. Additionally, the improved Gorilla Glass on the S24 Ultra will be superior to the Victus 2 on the S23 Ultra. With a resolution of 3088 by 440 and a 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is once again equipped with Samsung's innovative M13 OLED panel, which is shielded by Gorilla Glass 2. A 12-megapixel punch-hole camera is also included for taking selfies. Subsequently, the back section features a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 5 times the resolution of 50 megapixels, and a 10-megapixel triple telephoto zoom. Contrary to earlier speculations, it will run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all areas. The 24 and 24 Plus are the only models that will continue to use the Exynos. The 24 Ultra model comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256, 512, or 1 TB of storage. Of course, this is USS 4.0, it has a 45-watt rapid charger and a 5000 mAh battery. It now has a single UI 6.1 that is based on Android 14 and is anticipated to retail for $1,250. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a significantly brighter display and a new design with increased robustness. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.